Muringori in there, consistent, and music every year. Mchita my launch, and people still come through. They love to come through for HKD.
As for me, personally, is I rely with hard work. I remain focused, even if Nagawa has been disturbed, but I don't lose hope. I don't give up, and I always say it's better for you to try and fail than failing to try, right? But space bono gazara yitika, ukabika songs kana 6 para unora 1 para unobluti kwa essay, but that doesn't mean that you should stop. No,
yeah,
keep going, keep moving,
keep pushing.
Believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, no one is gonna believe in you. Yeah, so I believe I can do it. Yeah.
All right, Master H, winning the NAMA for Best Male Artist in 2024. The milestone, guy.
It's a nice one, big one.
Do you feel pressure now that my winner such a big award, and now you're going out to tour?
Yeah, to tend Mwari, my fans, they want to support the GTK. So, your NAMA, you know where you. It will breakthrough. If that is out, more can come in the future. So it's a big thing for me.
All right, your rise in the industry has been quite impressive. What's the biggest lesson you have learned so far, especially as you apply your music going forward? Apply to your music, yeah.
Zvakawanda but chakakosha kushanda nesimba nekunamata zvimwe zvese zvinoita zvega.
A nice one. Enzo.
Yeah, man.
Backstage mnoga mbiwesipaka mdala. What's your mindset before you go on stage, especially takwenda pakadai pa city to city tour?
Handiti ngonagira.
Unoshitoko sipaka.
Ndino achinoitwa nagira.
Oh, nice.
Because kana kuti vanhu vasipaka fana kuona uchisipaka saka tomosvika chinagira mudai.
But what's the secret? Chimbotudzo secret yako, because like you have a unique ability to create these anthems mdara. Ka drop a hit, ka song ka. You need an anthem mdara. If it's a hit, you don't get an anthem. What's your creative process?
And secret yeah.
But it's that.
Secret mdara achanakidza mdara.
Saka ndinoziya zvakadaro.
Amira nditi my experiments mwana zvinhu zvakawanda zvandoimba ndonzozvitora muvanhu sekuti ndakatopfura pakutamba zviguru ikangoma kaikachinakidza karasira kusiwatiza saka zvinhu zvakawanda ndongozviona muvanhu imomo saka it's easier kuti chinhu chiputike kana chichibva kwavari kana kuti ndindachigarira pasi ndochifunda. But yeah, sometimes tonombofoirawo asi ese maidzi but city to city maidzi anenge
achikandwa ese. Yeah. Nice one. Killer T.
Yes, I am.
Killer T, that was not a music ungadai uri chi
inini then win.
So from city to city, in a top tier talent, and definitely you can't be left out of that conversation. How do you make sure that your performance is like out there?
Adikipedza barasingaziye topedza shacho atopedza
pasong yekuti kana ndanyura ndo zvazvaitike
ndanyura ine song takajikiswa yeah, ine song tulisiya tawacha hembe
ini mazana ndichawacha zvangu yangu aina.
So you're known as one of the most versatile artists in Zimbabwe, effortlessly blending dancehall with all kinds of stuff.
Yes,
how do you keep reinventing kuti Killer T aramba chimodza Killer T
Killer T rungorova bora chokutanga ndoti Mwari vanopedza vanenge vatambidza talent then tiri mangu manigas anoshanda nesimba yoyavo takadhakwa tinozoisa chimwe chipapa chimwe chibhonzo chenharo ndozati
inye kuti teizwa kwatakabva
uri kuzviziya
tidzokera ikoko futi
matapi vanondipisira
even I did that on studio. Something else.
Yeah,
I know, heavy. Killer T, what can people expect at the city to city tour?
Best performance because the new one commander no pizza. Timmy Panama Aturima wine, Miss Musia, Amud. I won against Russia. Freeman, Master H, and Killer Jibans Bowan. Nemari show Maudaro Gawu. I want to go bigger than to go there. Panning about your piece.
Fire thing. Master H, what can you tell the people of Masvingo going forward?
Alright. So Masvingo, Shototongo Zoti, Mawana Totanga. City to city tour to change chacho. Yeah man. So to expect akona munhu wese ariko tisazoita zvokuudzwa. Kunzi kwakazoitika zvakati vanhu vakanakidzwa iwe usipo. So make it a date. And everybody video.
Fire thing. Freeman, what can people expect?
I just want them to charge their phones. Make sure their phones are fully charged. Because they should come and capture memories. It's gonna be a night to remember.
Panenpachi Spark.
Panenpachi Peace.
Nice one.
Straight up.
Enzo. What can people expect in the Stallion per stage?
Masvingo. Masvingo anenge ari mahwani because ndiri mukwasha ikoko saka mukwasha kana auya mutambirwa maize
saka uchawainisa